I was watching Curb Your Enthusiasm the other day, and I noticed Larry talking to a pregnant woman and being quite antagonistic about the fact that she is running on a treadmill. You can see it right there next to me, a little clip running.
What are you doing?
What?
What's with the jogging?
I'm working out.
Working out?
Yeah.
You're jostling the fetus. You can't run in your condition.
Yes, I can. I was advised by my midwife that I should continue to work out.
Maybe you want to consult your blacksmith, see what he has to say about it.
Okay. I don't.
And he's complaining to her, saying you are jostling the baby. So I thought maybe some people are curious about this and we should address it. So in this particular case, the patient says that her midwife told her that it was fine to run and says it is her baby and her problem. So the question is it safe to quote unquote jostle your baby while you are pregnant? And the answer is, your baby is extremely well protected while it is in utero. So you got to remember the baby is surrounded by fluid, then the wall of your uterus, then generally speaking some air gap or bowel or whatever is between the wall of your uterus and your abdominal wall, and then your abdominal wall, which has several layers including muscle, fat, skin, all of which are designed to protect your baby. So can you cause an abruption or a separation of the placenta from the wall of the uterus from exertion or heavy activity? Yes, if you are lifting a lot of weight, if you are jumping up and down, if you're doing something that would be considered traumatic, it's certainly possible. But a light jog on a treadmill is not likely going to do anything like that. And so you're perfectly fine to do so. I do generally recommend to my patients that they stick to an elliptical. Not because there's anything wrong with the treadmill, but you can't really fall on an elliptical, but you can fall on a treadmill. And because you're typically off balance when you're pregnant compared to your normal state, it is easier to fall down. And if you fall, you're going right down on your tummy on a treadmill. So we typically will recommend you do an elliptical. But can you hop on a treadmill, do a jog on the street? Can you get on an elliptical, swim? Even biking, all of these activities are completely reasonable and no harm is going to come to you. So Larry was wrong.